morning students. Today we will discuss the topic TR, MR and AR. In earlier video we discussed the meaning of revenue, that what is revenue. So what is revenue? Revenue are those money receipts which a producer receives by selling its commodity. Okay. For example, if a producer is selling ice cream, okay, then he is selling 100 units of ice cream and he is received 1000 rupees by selling 100 units of ice cream. Then this 1000 rupees is the revenue for a ice cream producer. Okay, and there is difference between profit and revenue. Profit in revenue we include both cost, okay, and means revenue is equal to cost plus profit, but in profit we exclude cost. Okay, when from our total revenue we exclude cost, then we have our profit, and in revenue cost and profit both are included. Okay, whatever cost we bear on the production of commodity, cost means expenditure by the producer on the factor of production, like expenditure on the land, labor and capital. Okay, so today we will discuss the TR, MR and AR. TR means total revenue. First we will talk about the TR. TR means total revenue. Okay, total revenue. So what is total revenue? It means total revenue are those money receipts which a producer receives by selling its total output. Okay, for example, if an ice cream producer is selling 100 units of ice cream, 10 rupees per ice cream, then 1000 rupees is the total revenue. 1000 rupees is the total revenue of a firm. Okay, total revenue means total revenue are those money receipts which a producer receive, or we can say firm receive, by selling total amounts of a commodity. For example, we have taken that a firm is selling 100 units of ice cream and price is 10 rupees per ice cream. So how we calculate total revenue? 100 into 10 equal to 1000. 1000 is the total revenue of a firm. Okay, so total revenue equal to output into price. Output into price. Output means units of the commodity. Output means units of the commodity. Units of commodity. Units means how much commodity is selling. We are saying 100 units of ice cream is sold by a ice cream factory and price is 10 rupees. So P into Q, in short we can say equal to 1000. P is 10 and Q is 100. So 100 into 10 equal to 1000. So 1000 is the total revenue of a firm. Okay. Now we will discuss the MR, marginal revenue. Okay. So what is marginal revenue? Marginal revenue is the change in total revenue. Okay. Change in total revenue means if a firm selling one additional unit of a commodity or one less unit of a commodity, so there is change in total revenue, and that change in total revenue is called marginal revenue. Okay, so how we calculate marginal revenue? Marginal revenue is the change in total revenue. So formula of calculating MR, marginal revenue, is TRN minus TRN minus 1. TRN means nth unit of the commodity and TRN minus 1 means previous unit of the commodity. Okay. So if a firm is selling 10 units of commodity, means earlier firm is selling 10 units, but now there is more demand and the firm is selling 11 units. It increased one more unit of a commodity, 11 units. So total revenue is 11,000 rupees. Okay. So how we will calculate the marginal revenue? So formula of MR is TRN minus 1. TRN is our nth unit. So this is our nth unit, 11th. Okay. So 11th unit means 11,000 we have. Okay. TR, we are having 11,000 TR of nth unit, and TRN minus 1 means previous unit. Previous means when 10 units are sold, then our total revenue is 10,000. So 11,000 minus 10,000, it is equal to 1,000. So 1,000 is our marginal revenue. Okay. So marginal revenue is the change in total revenue due to increase in one more unit of the commodity or decrease in one more unit of the commodity. Means if a firm is selling one more unit of a commodity, so there is increase in units of the commodity or there is increase in total revenue of the firm, and if a firm is selling one less unit of a commodity, then there is decrease in the total revenue of the firm. So whatever their change is there, how much change is there, that is we calculating by MR marginal revenue, means whatever change is there in total revenue due to firm is selling one more unit of a commodity or one less unit of the commodity. Now we will calculate AR, that is our average revenue. Okay. So AR means average revenue, that at what rate commodity is sold. AR tells us that at what rate commodity is sold. AR means average revenue, and by name we can know that average means we have to calculate average. Okay. So formula of calculating average revenue is TR, total revenue, upon Q. Okay. Total revenue upon Q. AR equal to TR upon Q. TR means total revenue and Q means units or output, we can say. So for example, if a firm total revenue is 10,000 and it is selling 10 units of the commodity, so 10 is this Q output, we can say, and 10,000 is our total revenue. So our AR will be 10,000 upon 10, so 1,000 rupees. So what is the rate of a commodity? Means at what rate a commodity is sold by a firm. By average revenue we came to know the rate at which commodity is sold by the firm. So here we can know we have total revenue 10,000 and total unit is sold by a firm is 10. Means a firm is earning 10,000 rupees by selling 10 units of a commodity. Then what is the price of a commodity? By average revenue we can calculate. Okay. So 10,000 upon 10,000. So what is the rate? 1,000 rupees obviously. 1,000 rupees is the rate, means per unit. Per unit of a commodity. So we can say that what is the price of the commodity? Price of the commodity is 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. We have given total revenue and total units of a commodity. Means a firm is earning this much revenue, 10,000 revenue by selling 10 units of a commodity. So what is the price? By average revenue we can calculate the rate at which commodity is sold, or we can say in other term we can say that price. We can know the price of the commodity if we are having total revenue and units of the commodity. So total revenue is 10,000 and output is 10. So 1000 rupees. So we can say 1000 rupees is the price of a commodity. Price of a commodity. Or we can say 10,000 rupees per unit. Okay. 1000 rupees per unit. Okay. So air is also called price. So both price and AR is equal. Okay. Because AR tells us only the price of the commodity. By AR we came to know the average of the revenue. That what is the average, or we can say we came to know the price of the commodity. So AR is equal to P, means price. Okay. So we discuss about the TR, MR and AR. TR is the total revenue of a firm, means how much revenue a firm earn by selling total units of its output. Then total revenue is equal to P into Q, means price of the commodity and quantity output of the commodity. Then MR means marginal revenue. This is a change in TR, TR and minus 1. Then average revenue, TR upon Q. Okay. TR, MR and AR. So we have discussed about these three terms, TR, MR and AR. Okay. So students, watch the video and also read from your book and practice as the formula in your notebook. If you have any doubt, query, you are free to ask. Thank you.